Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.